Now we have the top on and the shelves in, the door on, everything's ready. It's ready to take in the house. Now, one thing I planned on screwing the top right down, but I didn't want someone to try to pick up on it and pull the screws loose because it is into particle board, which I wish I would have used plywood, but if I'd do over again, I would have, or I would. So this way, if they try to pick up, it just comes right off, and then it'll be easier to move it. I thought about putting hinges on it, but this has a glass covering this, so hinges really wouldn't help me much, and fits really snug. So we have some different types of wood here. This is something I did years and years ago. We have cherry border, we have red oak around the outer edge. This is some sumac right here, kind of a shrub that grows along the road sometimes. Had to cut the piece down, dry it, and then cut the slices myself. Here's some red cedar, which my father had picked up at a place years ago. And then I'm quite sure this is some white cedar that I had mixed in just to go with the red cedar. But really it's kind of a clear wood. It's hard to say. It doesn't really have a distinguished look, except for that does have that look. Then we have, let's see, what else do we have here? I think that's pretty much for the American woods. So here we have exotic woods. Oh, except for this one right here. This one. And I thought I seen another one here. Quite sure is lilac. Right here. Tends to have a little bit of purplish in it. Really hard wood. But again, hard to come by. You have to cut your own, dry it, then cut slices. So the other ones, these exotic woods here, which are really cool. Some of them are really unique. I do not know the names of them. I'm quite sure they're from Brazil because they were pallet material or center of rolls of wire, which a person had saved out and was going to burn. And then I convinced them to sell it to me. This is some of that too. So really cool wood, but I do not know the names of them. But it gives a really cool effect. Okay, now I need to carry it in the house, which is not going to be easy because it's pretty heavy. I don't know how heavy it is. Maybe 100 pounds. I'm really guessing, but it's a little awkward, and I don't want to bump it on things either, so I don't want to hurt my back. So getting it out of the shop is going to be one task because I think I can keep it at the level it's at and get through there without banging it. Don't want to bang it up because it'll just put marks in it. Okay, time to take it in the house and put it in place.